because it's gonna start going. Enough games. Here we go. Good?
Good.
Hey everybody, my name's Mike. I'm Red Shark's Webflow developer. This project's gonna be pretty fun. We got a few new things that we haven't tried before as a team, so it's gonna be pretty interesting to see how we work around these new obstacles and how we implement them in the new website. A couple of those things are we need a menu that's dynamically fed, which we'll be doing through Webflow's CMS. We have to integrate their Tire Connect program, which is on their current site, and it's something that we need to embed into their new site. And then we need to create a locations detailed page, just listing out all the different locations that Pugh has and making sure that users can find the correct location that they need to go to. So this will be good. We got 2 weeks to do it, and should be a tight deadline, but it's gonna be a fun one. Okay, so now we're in the prototype. As you can see here, this is the locations page for Pugh's. You can see all the little pins for all the different locations. You can click on it, see the location's name and the address. This is a pretty intricate part. We wanted to integrate Mapbox for this one instead of using Google Maps, and Mapbox is not native to Webflow. So if you go into Webflow and you open up the page details and scroll down to the bottom to the custom code portions, you can see where we implemented all the custom code for Mapbox. And this is all the location data that you saw on the other page. So we still got a couple more tweaks and final touches to do on this, so come back in a little bit and see what we got. All right. Well, that's done. That took a little bit of more time than I thought, but we're gonna pass that over to Abby for some content creation and for QA.
Okay.
All right. Hey, I'm Chris.
Hey, I'm Abby, and I'm a digital strategist here at Red Shark Digital. I'm super excited about this Pugh's project, but I want to start off telling you about the tools I use. First off, I use Grammarly for grammar, and I also use Figma to communicate with our developer, Mike. I have all of this copywriting, QA, and SEO to do in a week, so I gotta go. Bye! As I said before, this is a Google Doc that I used with Grammarly to keep my grammar up to par, so Grammarly will catch any spelling error that I might have missed. Ding! Next up, we have Figma, and this is where I leave comments for our developer, Mike. So each pin that you see is a comment for something that needs to be fixed or updated. You can also look on this sidebar, and there's a bunch of comments here as well. Moving on, these are open graph images that our graphic designer, Matt, created. And my responsibility was to take these open graph images and insert them in Webflow. So now if someone were to send you this link, this image would appear. It's that easy, but we put a lot of time and effort into it so that Pugh's and all of our other clients can perform well in the search engine results.
Hey, I'm Chris, CEO of Red Shark Digital, also overseeing some account management and project management for the Pugh's Auto Service website that we just recently launched. So very exciting. Part of my job when that was overseeing some of the SEO side of it, making sure that we maintained all their current rankings and setting the site up for success moving forward. So a few things that we did there were checking to make sure that all the URLs were structured properly. We implemented all of our redirects as we should, checking on the core web vitals, increasing page speed score, transferring all the metadata, did all kinds of things to make sure that we really set this site up for success moving forward, and we certainly don't take them back at all when we launch the new site. So on a paid side, we really wanted to be a little bit more intentional with their paid advertising budget. So we overhauled their entire AdWords account, and we're already seeing an increase in our CTR rate and overall just a better use of their budget, the better bang for buck, and seeing that ROI for the exact same ad spend that they were doing previously. So setting up the account for success moving forward on both the SEO and the SEM side.
What's up, everybody? My name is Matt. I'm the graphic designer here at Red Shark Digital, and today I'm going to be showing you a little behind the scenes process of how I built the ads for Pugh's to go along with their marketing campaign. So let's waste no more time and hop right into these programs. So here you see a full ad set built out on screen. We can come in and easily edit our headlines, our subtext, and even go down here and change out our location images with a click of a button. It's super simple, and we can even come in here and play our animation one at a time or view them in a list. And the cool thing about this program is that it's browser-based. It means I can take this laptop anywhere and build these ads anytime. Building ads. Yep, we're still building ads. Yeah, you guessed it. I'm still building ads. Okay, so now that I have all these ads zipped up, I'm going to send them over to our digital strategist so she can put them in Pugh's ad roll.
We've all been working really hard and we've put our heart into this project. Now all that's left is to tell Frankie that it's ready.
With the website live and the digital marketing rolling, working with RedShark was a seamless process. From design to timeline to the build process. I'm Frankie Pugh with Pugh's Tire and Service Centers. Visit choosepughes.com to see our project.